Hey everybody, and welcome back to my vlog. What is a vlog? A vlog is a video blog. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery, and today we are going to open some happy embroidery mail. This is one of my favorite times of the month, is when my all access books come in. Now, I've been a digitizer myself and I'm quite good at it for about 15 years. And I find that these books, I'm going to show you what's in them, but I find these books are so much fun. They're absolutely, and it's so pretty already. I love it. So let's go through the book. This is the cover, and I'll show you the back. Look close, hopefully that's in screen. I see some Halloween stuff and some fall stuff. So let's, check it out. Let's open it up. It says Celebrate 4 Seasons, Heirloom Seasons, September 2018. So far, opening it, I love it. I love it. Oh, Halloween. I'm gonna like those designs. Oh, that bear is gorgeous. I'll zoom in so you guys can see stuff, but I thought I'd show you what the Anita Goodesign, what these books are. I absolutely love it. I can't tell you how much I love it. It's like a big book of ideas, and if you're not sure what to create, because stitching out is just as creative as creating yourself with a digitizing program. You're only as good as your hooping skills, so I consider all of this practice. All right, well, that's what I tell Dawn, but that's okay. It is practice. Some of these are really cute. So Heirloom Seasons, let's see what that's about. So winter, spring, summer, autumn, some crazy quilt squares, which I really like. Look at the candy cane. So far, excellent. So as you can see on this page, there's blanket stitch, there's standard applique, there's confetti, which is a really cute technique, and paper piecing. So lots to be had there. Black background blocks, and these, they're hard to see, but they're usually beautiful. Folded fabric blocks, build your own blocks. Look at how pretty that is, and sashing box. Then of course, one of the main things about these books is that they tell you how to put everything together, and they give you ideas of the blocks that go very well together. The other thing I really like is that it gives you ideas for colors. So moving on with the pages, look, they give you full instructions. So this is really the nice thing about having a book. It's all together, and if you look at the back of the book, that's where your designs are, and they list each and every design with the color change at the back of the book. So you don't need to print anything out. You don't need to print anything. You don't need to print the instructions. It's all right here in front of you. Free motion blocks. I love it. Instructions for everything. So it's kind of neat and tidy. I love the organization of it, and oh, I love that. It just seems to me to be a fantastic thing. I thoroughly enjoy them. I call it happy embroidery mail, and that's exactly what it is. So they go through, this is a huge design, and they go through, printed fabric too. They go through everything to show you exactly how to do each one. The confetti's really nice. Paper piecing, that's lovely too. Isn't that cute? Build your own blocks. So you can even put these blocks together. Oh, I love the bird. The backing, and they show you how to do it on your machine. I mean, you couldn't ask for anything more. Nice color magazine. I absolutely love it. So they even tell you how to do the sashing to put it all together. And when you're done everything, this is how to put it together as a quilt. Oh, more pictures, Mylar. That's awesome. So really, in the September edition, there is something for everyone. Look at how cute these designs are. Now, of course, if you really like one of these designs, you can pick it up at their Anita Goodesign online, and you only have to buy like the one set. I prefer to get it all at once. You save a ton of money. I pay monthly now, and I love it. So every month you get an embroidery surprise. Trick or treat bags, I'm going to be making that one. And that, oh heck, I'm going to be making them all, but I like those two especially. And then of course your instructions on how to do them. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at the cat. Big, full color pictures. And, you know, the sizes, everything is explained. And then look, all of the steps on how to do it. Like I said, you couldn't ask for anything more. I love these pumpkins. I love the pumpkins. So along in the book, you get Anita Goodesign Express. Aren't these cute? And they tell you everything again, everything, how to do it. And then show you all the designs for the Express. I'm going to skip ahead a bit. They show you how to put everything together. Happy handbags, a bucket bag, a vinyl tote, and a vinyl clutch. Oh, those are so pretty. With instructions, even instructions for your sewing machine. Folded fabric. Wow, yeah, I'm pretty happy with this embroidery mail. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh, look, isn't that cute? So Christmassy, it's Halloween and Christmassy all in one. Oh, that's beautiful. Double exposure animals. Yep, I'm going to like that one too. Ooh, coming soon. Ooh, looks good. I think I'll enjoy that. Aren't these beautiful? That is stunning. That owl is amazing. Let's go on. Oh, they show you how to do that too. Wow, they are so beautiful. So this is applique in here. I'll zoom in so you can see, but it's applique and stitching. These look amazing. I'm going to be doing one of these for sure. Learn to watercolor confetti. That's awesome. That's absolutely awesome. Beautiful birds. I'll do one of those. And of course, step-by-step instructions. Ooh, a little bit of information about thread and different threads. Twist thread, natural fiber, metallic twist, and the different looks that they give. Isn't that beautiful? I like that one. Variegated thread is probably one of my favorite. Holographic thread, I didn't even know that existed. That's cool. Hand sewn quilt. Well, yeah, that's beautiful too. I like the bees. My Beatrice would like the bees because she gets called Bee for short. Whole bunch of those. I mean, wow. Make your own mini quilt pillows. Yes, please. I think I will. I think I will. Oh, I like this. Native American designs. That's stunning. That's stunning. Wow, so are the hearts. Dutch hearts, it's called. So that is a quick overview of my happy embroidery mail from Anita Goodesign. And they have some pretty exciting things coming up. I think there's a bonus because they're going to be celebrating 15 years. So now is the time to check it out. And you know, you can try it and enjoy the book like I do, and if you like it, just keep getting it. It's a subscription. So anyways, I wanted to share with you guys how much I love the Anita Goodesign book. And it's fun, and it's all in one, and it's full color. All of the information is in here, the instructions, so it's all in one pack. So if you haven't tried it, you should, and you can get happy embroidery mail too. So thanks for watching my blog, everyone. I hope you guys liked the all-access quick overview and what makes me happy. So I'll be vlogging again. You never know what it's going to be about, but that's the fun of a blog. It's informal, it's fun, and it's different from everything else I put up. So thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like this video because it's just fun and it's a lot of great ideas. And I'll see you guys in the next video.